Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between WordPress and Wix. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking this question, just like the difference between WordPress and Shopify. WordPress is a full-fledged content management system that has you covered with everything. Wix, on the other hand, is just a website builder. Okay, a website builder that helps you build sites of different kinds. Simple site, not really complex site like that. But let's go ahead and check this, guys. Now, what are the key differences between WordPress and Wix? WordPress is a self-hosted open source platform with full customization. It's highly flexible but requires some technical skill. Wix is a hosted platform with drag and drop simplicity, providing less flexibility but it's easier to begin. So, just like WordPress.com, Wix is like the WordPress.com version of WordPress with lower access and all that, and it's hosted and managed by them. And there are certain things you cannot do, editing and all that, just like the self-hosted WordPress where you download the software or install it on your server and have full control. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out Wix.com and see what they've got. So create a website without limit. Build and scale with confidence from a powerful website builder to advanced business solution. We've got you covered. Get started. So you see, these are the kind of website pages you can create with Wix, like what you see here. You have ciaodrinks.com, for instance, one platform infinite for building a website, manage your website, grow online, website template that sets you up for success. So they have website template, different template that you can choose after building. Build more than a website, customize it your own way. Website builder engineered for growth. So let's go to product and see what they have. Website design, create your site with intuitive design features. Run and grow your e-commerce website. So they have feature for e-commerce website template. Choose from 900 plus website templates. Scheduling, manage appointments, staff and client portfolios. AI website builder, create your site in no time with AI. Restaurant, manage your menus, orders and reservation. Okay, so you now go to solutions here. Payment solutions, CRM system, mobile app, website analytics, or business features. Then let's go to pricing and see how their price looks like. Okay, so from the light here, you get the basic $17 per month, two collaborators, 2 gig storage space, light marketing suite, free domain for 1 year. Then the core, engage your audience, $29 per month, 5 collaborators, 50 gig storage space, basic marketing suite, free domain for 1 year, basic site analytics, accept payment, and basic e-commerce. Then you now move to business, where you have 10 collaborators, 100 gig storage, and all that. So just like Shopify, but for a general website context. And just like WordPress, they help you manage the site, maintain everything, and all that. But remember, you always have limited controls and rules to adhere to, unlike when you're setting it up on your own server using the WordPress.org piece of software. Okay, guys, so that'll be all for now on this video on the difference between WordPress and Wix. So now that you know, we move to the next video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.